Pumpkin in Animal Company. I can't wait to check out the new update. Wait, I wonder what the loading screen looks like. Yo! Oh, look, a little ducky. But anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to, oh my god, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be checking out the new Animal Company update. I can't wait to see what this is, dude. I wonder if there's any new animals. Anyways, guys, let's go straight into the video. Wait, I wonder if there's any, like, new animals. Well, I just, like, seen something. I could have sworn I just seen. Wait, I remember that there was new clothing. Is that new? I think the red banana jacket is new. Kind of looks like it. Alright, let's go into the new update. First, let me get my stuff. I need that. I need, oh, what else do I need? I need a pickaxe. There. Might as well bring a backpack. Can't forget the glow stick. Alright. I wonder what this new update is. Like, I know that it's... Whoa, wait. Whoa. Listen to this. Okay, so that's new. This sounds the same. Yep, still gets dark. This looks the same. I do not want to do this alone. So, I'm going to get my buddy, TTR Blues, I think he is. Let me go get him. Sick transition. Okay, guys. He's being all, like, mad because I did this thing at school. But, do I press? Oh. Okay. What the heck is this? Dude, this music though. Are there any, like, secrets? Oh, I forgot to do the transition. It's fine. Are there any, like, secrets? No, I guess not. Nope, no secrets. Oh crap. This is the office. No 911? Oh crap. That's the monster. I remember. I seen that in the leaks. And this is in the other. Oh, but of course they gotta draw the cool looking ass. Yeah, dude. I remember. I seen. Bro, what is that noise? Oh god! Oh crap. Okay, so it's not as scary as I thought it would be. What's it? Like... Okay, let me get a... Wait, so if I'm on this, you can't see me, but if I... What? Oh god! Oh god! What the? What in the 2 worlds of crap? What the heck? Can I grab these? Wait, what? Wait, it makes like a Can I grab anything else? Wait, what the? I wonder if I need that. Dude, that is so cool. Gosh, I can pick this up. Knew it. Oh, sure. I know that I can pick this disc up, but no egg? What? Sorry? Yeah, so it says remember your key card. So I think that I do need this key. But I did not know what I could. Whoa, boy. Why is it just... Well, that's cool. Look at there's like people. Why does that stay random? Alright, I think that I should go this way. Oh. Oh, wait, Well, wait a minute. Wait a dang minute. Let's take a moment to rewind that and see what happened. Alright, so as I'm hookshotting into the room, the guy screams at the top of my lungs, and my first instinct is to put my hands up and grab onto there, right? So I look over to my left, and I see this ugly-ass guy staring into my soul as he's laughing at me. Like, bruh, did he really have to do that? So all I can do, because I don't have anything to hit him with, wait, but I did have my pickaxe, but my brain is too smooth and I'm too stupid to realize that. But as you're watching, he just starts laughing at me. Like, bro, he's scary as frick. Anyways, let's get back into the video. Googity googity goo! Okay, so I guess that there is an That scared the crap out of me. I think I crapped my pants a little. Okay, well now you guys know not to go that way. I knew I shouldn't have gone here by myself. Please tell me I can get out of here. Get me out of here. That's where I want to go. You can tell just by my breathing I'm scared. Wait, what? This looks like the same place that I was just in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cause yeah, there's another one of those. Now there's a sinkhole? What? Don't fall in? Yeah. I think I know. So, I knew I shouldn't have gone here alone. Oh, what the? Wait, what? Yes. So it's like a girl voice. Or wait, so yeah, if I'm on here, they can't see me. What? Okay, so that is good. Only 2 craps, Lord. Wait, what? You can get on top of it? Heck no. I'm out of here. Wait, so I didn't go this way last time. Wait, what? Well, that's... Think deep. Can you guys get me out of here? Okay, so yeah, I'm back here. Okay, so I'm getting the heck. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's kind of cool that I can like do that. But what's not cool is this crap scaring the heck out of me. But I don't think that that's everything here. But this update is really cool. Like, and now I'm back. Thank the Lord I'm back. Thank you, Lord. But yeah, that's basically all there. Oh, there might be more actually. Wait, tech tree. Wait, nut shredder. Wait, they have the broccolis in here now? Dang. Okay, so they got a box fan. That's all that's new here. So I guess that, like, the nut shredder, instantly destroy items or store their value, can be sold to redeem the store value? What? And you know, you got the mega broccoli. But what is the blows items or friends away? Can be attached to your back to generate proper. I don't know. I'm stupid. I can't read. Them are too long of words. Words are too long. But that's pretty darn cool. I give this update. Actually, I'm not even done with it. But I'm gonna go see if what they changed in sewers, because I know that they changed the route. Here, chicken, let me ride you. Okay, so okay, so right when you walk in, you can already see a difference. Let me just mind you. Speed it up. Okay. That was pretty. I don't think that I'm gonna reach. And just get this out the way. What? Oh, that's right, I touched that. I was like, how did I barely get hit from that? There's some purples right here. Okay. My friends told me that you could only get one research point every 60 hours, which is obviously not true. So I'm gonna... Okay. Get anything good? Oh, I bet this one. Oh, wait. Just scoop these up. Whoop-de-dee-poop. Scoop-dee-whoop-dee-poop. Scoop-dee-whoop-dee. Poop. So far, I'm not really seeing anything too different besides just the path was going to change every... Okay. Yep, they still have Mega Bomb and everything. If you're wondering, like, what I'm talking about, who's him? Armstrong. Come here, Armstrong. Wait, what? He can come up here now? Come here, Armstrong. I never loved you anyways. Yeah, you're not strong anymore, bud, are you? Oh, yo. What did I get? Bruh. Why did I do that? Okay. Almost just fell and died. I did not want to do that. Oh, crap. Wait, what? Where are you? Oh. Okay, so that's cool. It's very cool, very, very cool. Put that in there. I'm getting out of here. Oh wait, they changed this. Oh, here it is. Get me out of here, get me out of here. Okay. That is very cool. Let's see, how much moolah do I get from these? Oh, dang, they made it brighter in here. I think. Here's my hooky. But how much does one gold bar and one gem cost? Pretty good. Obviously, because I'm like that, I'm obviously automatically going to spend it because I want to, I'm obviously going to spend my money for you guys. Not obviously real money, but what in the world? Well, I guess they did something wrong because lava is just straight up red. So, Animal Company, if you Swedish, you probably won't, but if you do, then by the time anybody sees this, it'll probably already be fixed. But just in case it's not, Animal Company gotta fix shit. You got to fix shit. I think that it's up here, right? Wasn't it? Gosh. Okay, so I don't see any purples. This it? Yeah, dude, this has to be it. It has to. Bro, what the skib? Remember it was this it? No, that's for 5, so it's gotta be close. No, that's a hooky. Bro, is that it? Probably not. I think that's just a heart balloon. Yep. Oh, where the skib is the box fan? Alright. I'm gonna speed this part up until I find it. You have to be serious. You have to be serious. I have to unlock this first just to get that. I'm doing it. Now I have to get 3 more, but I don't know how. I guess I'll do it in a different video. Skip to the outro. Yeah. Anyways, guys. Where the heck did that just... Hold on, guys. Look at this. Then if I... Oh, wait. Am I just stupid? Oh, okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can see my next post and be up to date. But, anyways, guys, have a good day. Like always, stay doggy doo. We out.